Hello, it's Sherry with Palette to Palette. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the large and extra large round candle holder. I'll link the file to my Etsy shop in the comments below, but let's show you how to put these together. These are easy peasy, so easy to put together. I designed and redesigned and redesigned, and I'm like, oh, this is going to work the best. So I literally could stack this here and just show you how easy it's going to be to put them together without even gluing. So there you go. There's one put together. But I'm going to go through step by step. Let me show you the front view real quick. There you go. There's one. I'm going to go through and actually glue them. So I use the circle pieces are just for feet. You might want to use the feet, you might not. It's totally up to you. These ones I've already glued together. I put the small circle on the larger circle so that they can go on the bottom to be used as feet. So you can use them or you don't have to if you don't want to, but I've got a whole plate of feet over there. Let me get these out of the way because so literally what you need to do is put this piece on the base first. So I'm going to put some glue on there. I use wood glue. It doesn't set as fast as some of the other glues, but it sets fast enough for me. So I get this on here, line that up, press it down a little bit, give it a few seconds, and this one is actually easy enough that we can, I'm just going to try to get a little bit on the inside of that slot so that when I put the other one on, it's actually got something that it's gluing to. Yep, so there's some glue in there. And then I'm actually going to put a couple little dots of glue in each of the 4 slots on the bottom. And I'm going to show you a little trick for these. Then you just stand it in, line up all the little legs, put it in there, then take a big rubber band if you have one. You don't want it to squeeze it too tight, but if you put this rubber band down there, then it's going to push all of those legs toward the center. I don't want it completely down on the bottom though, because I still have to put my other piece in there. So I'm going to bring it up about 1 inch from the bottom while it's drying, and then I am going to take a baby wipe and get anything off of the edge from my glue that got on there, because I wasn't real neat about doing that. And then I'm going to put this piece on there. So that it can dry. I'm going to put it right in the center. Just eyeballing the center. And I'm going to press down a little bit. So while that one's drying, we'll go ahead and do this one. Like I said, you can use the feet if you want, or you can leave it sitting flat. You don't have to have it raised up, but it's just a matter of gluing them on. This would be the most important part, making sure that these are lined up straight. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue so that gets on the inside right here. Slide these two together. And then start putting a little bit of glue in each of these spots. And put that in. Line up all the legs. Get your rubber band. So these are the same diameter around. Whoops, whoops, whoops. One is just longer than the other. Let me get my rubber band back off of there. I pulled it out when I started to push it down. Would only happen when I'm doing a video, right? Try that again. Go wide. So they're the same diameter. One is just taller than the other. So the bases are 5-inch. And the height of this one is just about 10 inches, and this one's just about 12. And that's without the feet. The feet are going to add a 1/2 inch. So these are cut on the 1/4 inch Columbia Forest product Pure Bond. That's what I make my slots for, because that's the material that I use. And if you're using something that's thinner or thicker, the slots might not fit. So you're going to need to know how to change your slot thicknesses and allow for kerf and all that good stuff if you're not going to use the Columbia Forest product Pure Bond 1/4 inch like I do. So that's how they go together, and then I will take them outside and spray them. And have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will put the link to the file so that you can cut them. Each one takes a Glowforge size sheet. And I have a Glowforge, and I have a larger cutter. So I have the OMTech 2435 80 watt. So I cut them on both, tested on both. Have a great day. Bye.